Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's smooth love portion update SLP for Monday 13th of June. Now so far I've been once again right with this SLP update. I don't know how many people are going to be disagreeing with it, but I don't really care for the people who are going to disagree because I have videos to back me up and to claim the predictions that I've been making. And one more thing, if you want to learn trading the way I've been doing it, if you've been following this tutorials and the video updates, do check out the 18 hours of content. Man, I'm telling you, this is filled with so many information that people are not teaching you out there in TA. Okay, so I'm going to teach you all the things that you must know in that one single course. Now the thing is, here we saw SLP going to the downside, and I told you, I gave you this technical target 396. Boom, we met the technical target like a boss. Okay, the next thing that I want to see basically is this target right now. Okay, so somehow I'm expecting SLP to basically drop down to this target right over there. Okay, watch the Bitcoin update as well. Watching the Bitcoin update today is quite important because I do think Bitcoin might be even going to $20,500, and that actually would mirror the behavior of SLP. And you might see SLP, if Bitcoin does go to that 20k region, then this SLP actually does make sense to fall down all the way to 222. Now the thing is that I just like to trade with logic here. So it's a simple logic. You went down like this, you made a bearish rectangle, you break out of the bearish rectangle, you're looking to drop down to that particular price level. And that's it for today's SLP update. Very quick one. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.